Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can remove Google Chrome extensions that you have already installed. So I'm gonna show you two ways. One of them is that you can see right here in the top right corner the extensions that you have pinned. So one of the ways is to right click the extension and press remove from Chrome. Alternative way is to press on this puzzle icon and manage extensions. This will open up a new window and find the extension you want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this Amazon price tracker. Press remove and this will say remove the extension ? And you can press report abuse if it's a scam or it doesn't work or something like that, and press remove. Sometimes it will ask for a reason why you want to remove, but in this case it says the extension was successfully removed and you can see that it is no longer here. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful and see you guys in another video.